Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to see the archive messages on Telegram using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So now let's get started. So first of all, you want to launch your Telegram app. And now, just go ahead and log in your account. So before I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna teach you how to archive any messages on Telegram. So for example, I'm gonna archive this nice gram bot. So I want you to do is to swipe your finger from right to left on that conversation. And here you want to click on the archive option. So now as you can see, that chat is archived already. So to view that again, you want to click on the archive chats at the upper part of your screen. And here you can see all of the archived chats that you have on your Telegram. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.